Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Job News for Electrical Engineers 11th December 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. From our channel Engineering Jobs for You, every Wednesday we will upload Civil Engineers Job News video and every Saturday we will upload Electrical Engineers Job News video. This week in this video, we have included 5 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers. So please watch the video till the end. You are watching the channel NG Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. In this, first one is Siemens Energy Bangalore. Junior software developer at Siemens Advanta, Bangalore. Company profile. Siemens Advanta, formerly known as Siemens IoT Services, has been crafted to unlock the digital future of its clients by offering end-to-end support on their outstanding digitalization journey. Siemens Advanta is a strategic advisor and a trusted implementation partner in digital transformation and industrial IoT with a global network of more than 8,000 employees in 10 countries and 21 offices. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Requisition ID is 284951. Roles and responsibilities. Requirement analysis and design of the engineering system application, development and unit testing of the software based on defined architecture, involves interaction with business partners and stakeholders, being a part of agile team, exhibition, teamwork, pole culture and ownership commitment, etc. Skill required: BE or BTech in electronics and electrical or communication engineering with good programming knowledge. Off-campus hiring and 0 to 1 year of experience holders can apply. Strong analytical and problem solving skill, willingness to learn new technologies, good interpersonal and communication skills, etc. Role is junior software developer. Functional area is power, energy, digitalization. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher electrical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description. From there, you can find out these links, and by clicking these links, you will redirect to the direct website of the company. From there, you can apply directly. As you know, this video have limited number of job opportunity only. For getting more freshers job opportunities for all branches of engineering, you can visit our website www.enggjobsforyou.com www.engineeringjobsforyou.com. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. Next, ABB India, Bangalore. Project engineer at ABB India Limited, Bangalore. ABB Limited is a Swedish multinational corporation operating mainly in robotics, power, heavy electrical equipment and automation technology areas. It is ranked 341st in the Fortune Global 500 list of 2018 and has been Global Fortune 500 company for 24 years. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 year experience. Publication ID is IN80499315E1. Roles and responsibilities: assist in preparing proposal or presentation of engineering projects or programs such as provision of bill of material, estimated engineering hours, supported contract manager in issuing claims, provide quality solution as per customer requirement and delivers within budget and contract, reports any contract or quality or program or cost issues to management along with the recommendations for resolution. Skills required: bachelor's degree in electrical or electronics or mechatronics engineering, experience ranging from 0 to 2 year, experience in programming, control engineering and project management skills, excellent communication skill and ability to influence both internally and externally. Role is project engineer. Function area is heavy electrical equipment. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher electrical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Amazon Chennai. Device Associate at Amazon International Corporation, Chennai. Amazon International Corporation is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is 1843490. Job description: a device associate primarily responsibility is to execute test case instruction and report discrepancies. He or she is also responsible for successful and on-time delivery of results. Roles and responsibilities: execute test cases, prepare for testing software builds, perform test case execution and report bugs accurately, perform regression and repetitive testing exercise to qualify builds without compromising on quality, be comfortable with computing results, communicating and escalating failures, and providing individual status reports. Qualification required: a graduate in any field of study. Quantitative fields such as science and engineering are preferred but not mandatory. Freshers or candidates with 0 to 2 years of QA experience, flexibility and interest in doing repetitive tasks is required. Role is device associate. Industry type is e-commerce industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Equinix, Mumbai. Data Center Facility Engineer at Equinix International Corporation, Mumbai. Equinix International Corporation is an American multinational company headquartered in Redwood City, California that specializes in internet connection and data centers. It is listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange under the ticket symbol EQIX, and as of December 2020, it had approximately 10,000 employees globally. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 1 to 3 year of experience. Job ID is JR122675. Job description: performs repairs, corrective maintenance, and complex installation. Acts as a mentor to others in resolving incidents. Roles and responsibilities: perform site inspection and monitor the building and IBX alarms. Undertakes repairs and corrective maintenance. Assists team lead in coordinating critical infrastructure. Responds to all on-site incidents and acts as required. Many instruct on-site staff during simple incidents, etc. Qualification required: bachelor's in electrical engineering, minimum 1 to 3 year of relevant experience. Fresher, graduate are also welcome to apply. Shift work required. Role is data center facility engineer. Industry type is internet connection and data center. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website shown on screen. Next is ANSYS, Pune. Technical Support Engineer at ANSYS, Pune. ANSYS is an American company. It develops and markets CAE or multi-physics engineering simulation software for product design, testing, and operation, and offers its products and services to customers worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. Job location will be in Pune. Job description: you will be a part of a passionate, dynamic team that develops engaging course content, designs practical certification exams, and supports our customers through our learning forum. This is an exciting opportunity to advance your technical knowledge, soft skill further while broadening the appeal of numerical simulation and ANSYS products to a global market. Roles and responsibility: as part of a team, interact with the customers via the public forum to enhance our customers' experience with the ANSYS product and learning offering. Expand ANSYS learning forums library of FAQs tips and tricks, video knowledge articles, and other relevant learning content, develop product expertise with one or more ANSYS products, etc. Minimum education, required education in degree type MS in mechanical or chemical or aerospace or electrical engineering or related field. Demonstrated use relevant ANSYS software or knowledge of other commercial CAE, CAD, EDA, PLM software package. Strong organization and time management skill, possess a sense of urgency, additional minimum requirement for the specific position being advertised, etc. Role is technical support engineer, function areas hardware, software, how to apply. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this video details. For getting more freshers jobs and 1 to 2 year of experience holders job, you can visit our website www.engineeringjobsforyou.com, enggjobsforyou.com. For the next job news for electrical engineers video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.